D-Link AX3000 6 Mesh Router. Unbox the router and remove all accessories, including the power adapter and Ethernet cable. Ensure you have a stable surface for setup. Select a central location in your home for optimal coverage. Avoid placing the router near walls, metal objects, or appliances that could interfere with the signal. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to an electrical outlet. Make sure the router is powered on, wait for the LED lights to stabilize. Using an Ethernet cable, connect the WAN port on the router to the LAN port on your modem. This establishes the internet connection for the router. Turn on the router, if not automatically powered, and allow it a few moments to boot up fully. Look for the LED indicators to confirm it is functioning correctly. On your smartphone or computer, search for the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, displayed on the router. Connect to it using the default password, which can also be found on the router label. Open a web browser on your connected device and enter http://dlinkrouter.local or the default IP address, usually 192.168.0.1. This will take you to the router's setup interface. Enter the default login credentials, often admin for both username and password, to access the router settings. If prompted, change the password for security. Follow the on-screen setup wizard to configure your internet connection type, DHCP, PPPoE, etc. Change the default SSID and password to something unique for your network. Save all changes and reboot the router to apply the new settings. After rebooting, test the connection by connecting devices to the new Wi-Fi network and checking internet access.